Before we begin, make sure you are wearing the right safety gear for the site you are working on and tools you are using. You will need a boutique sliding door roller set, part number 110660, a Phillips head screwdriver, a glass sucker rated up to 100 kilos, a second pair of hands depending on the size and weight of the product. There are many reasons why rollers need replacing. Your house may have settled over time or your rollers may have worn a little. Ensure you have floor protection to rest the panels on, as it will prevent scratches on your flooring. To replace rollers on your boutique sliding door, you will need to adjust both rollers to its lowest position. To perform the adjustment, simply lift the panel on the side in question to access the slot at the very bottom. Place your Phillips head screwdriver into the slot and turn your screwdriver clockwise to lower. Lower the panel back down and check how it operates. Now, to remove the door panel, 2 glass suckers may be required depending on the weight of the door panel. Hold the door panel on both sides and lift it up into the head, gently tilting the bottom out towards you until the whole door panel can be removed. Place the door on its side, and with the use of a flat screwdriver, slide the roller casing away from the aluminium stile. Now, place the new roller into the bottom aluminium rail. On the opposite side, repeat the same process. You can now put the sliding door panel back into the frame. Repeat the same process if you're replacing rollers on the center panel boutique entertainer sliding door. The panels will require adjusting. Please refer to our video how to adjust an A&L sliding door.